Hey y'all, did y'all know that your cabin filters need to be changed regularly? I didn't. I thought it was something that happened automatically with my oil changes and so forth, but now I know. Went to AutoZone this morning, paid $20 for a filter, made sure it was the right one for my car, came back, popped open my glove compartment, and there you go. There is a little door right there. You pop it open, comes off easily. And behind that door was another little compartment. I used both hands for this one, and I just squeezed both sides, pop that right off. And behind that is where you find your filter. Yep, there's the cabin filter. Easy, just like they told me it would be. So I pulled it out, and man, that drone is disgusting. Like, I can't believe it. That's where that stench was coming from. That's why my air wasn't working properly. But hey, now I know. Yeah, big difference, right? So you're going to take your new filter. First of all, make sure there's no other trash back there. But you're going to take your new filter, make sure it's going in the right direction, whichever way the arrows tell you to put it in. Slide that bad boy right back in there, and that's it. Put your little doors back on in the same way you took them off, and now you can breathe better. Your air works better. It's amazing. Like, I can't believe I didn't know this, but now we know, right? Put your manuals back in there, and you're all done. TTYL.